do you love most about doing this job?
Motivating people, the people I meet a lot of interesting, different people from all different age groups, and all have the common interest in fitness and want to be healthy, and everybody's always happy when they come to the gym. Typically nobody's upset, so it's always like a good environment.
I just come to cycling class with my friends to like work out because it's like really fun, and the instructor, she's like really good. After my workout, I usually just get like Jamba Juice acai bowl, my go-to.